Yes, girl, I tried to go to the motherfucking Walmart to stock up on some like bleach, Lysol, all that stuff, and guess what?
They ain't had nothing.
They ain't have shit, bitch.
See, that's why I told y'all we need to start taking this serious because y'all don't know what I don't know. It's weird. It's weird.
I don't really think it's a big deal. I'm just like, I don't want to be around no sick people because I don't want to take no chances, nothing like that.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go to my grandma's house because she always she be couponing and stuff. So she stays stacked up with everything. Okay, Granny the plug. I'm gonna need her number. I'll give you her information if you want to just hit her up.
I don't know. But Trump need to do something. Trump.
Oh, bitch. So I got invited to the bar tonight. I think you should come.
Excuse me.
What?
See, cause nah. Go ahead and just leave, baby. Leave for me.
Oh, come on, y'all. Y'all can't possibly think that I got the coronavirus. Come on now.
Well, bitch, you coughing and shit. I don't know what the fuck. Just please leave for me, baby. Please.
I fucking coughed. Everybody coughs.
Bitch, oh, I said get the fuck out. Now, if I have to put this other motherfucking glove on hold, I'm whooping your motherfucking ass, bitch.
Okay, I'm
just leave. Don't touch shit on your way out. Hand me the hand sanitizer.
Okay, girl.